My moods and thoughts are everywhere, all the time, all at once. Like, I would describe my brain as abstract. Today, I am a sad diva, but a diva nonetheless. I thought I could make this content creation thing into a career, but maybe it's because I'm not creative enough, business savvy enough. Maybe it's the system, the algorithms, or that I just don't have it in me anymore. Don't you wish you were a cat sometimes? Like, just meow, 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 and you're like, hell yeah, little kitty. I always throw random jokes out there during serious convos, but do not be fooled. This is a face of serious concern. I really, really don't know where I should head. I take a step back and I look at me and I'm like, girl, what the hecky? I take action and I listen to all these solutions, like all those self-help books, forums, podcasts, all that advice that everyone gives. I take it. Like, I see what's right for me and then I apply it. I follow it. I highlight it. Honestly, I wish that someone would come swoop in and save me, but obviously no one is gonna come save me. And that's fine. I wanna be independent, but come on. Sometimes I just wanna be called a spoiled bitch who doesn't have to lift up a pinky to do anything. But if it came to and I was actually in that position, I feel like I would complain about not working and there's no way. I've also been avoiding seeing the doctor because I don't know if I'm neurodivergent, scared to find out. Like, either yes or no, I'm just scared. I've always felt so alienated despite having loving people around me now. I just feel so off, like I'm not completely all there. And when I go out, it's like I'm putting on a highly super tailored mask. And every glance, every laugh to how someone moves their arms, it's all like red. You know what my dreams were? My dreams were to be this charming, little, funny, creative content creator that's also real, that somehow gets myself out of Canada to live in LA or a New York loft filled with cats and supportive, creative friends where I could just have fun meeting people, going to events, dancing my ass off under the neon lights in my bespoke, piquant Tom Ford dress, and somehow get signed to like a major, big model agency despite having all these tattoos and this not so model-esque face. And then continue to do creative fun campaigns, travel the world, meet people, hear their stories. Then somehow we all just end up raving in a cave, vibing at 3 a.m. in the middle of nowhere, and have like a super quirky candlelight dinner with 10 utensils on each side. The ones where we have no idea what to do with. And the number one, to pay off my parents' debts so they wouldn't stress anymore and just erase all of those traumas. I wish I had a magic eraser, but for life. I just go around up to people, up to you, and just go, your trauma's gone, babe. But that's not reality. The reality is that I'm 32, still living with my parents, which no shame in this economy, yeah, but for where I wanted to be, stings a little, you know? I feel like everything's moving so fast, but yet I'm so slow. Because I'm so uncertain with my career, I went back to school for a year for like this little certificate, which I don't even know if I can use it. I have 2 months left to finish the certificate, and I just wanted the most brain dead job that I could get that is just stable and repetitive. And I guess I'm just trying to find a distraction, just thinking that there is something out there that's for me, that I could be useful somewhere. And in my life, I just wanted to be inspiring. I wanted to be a comfort, a light to be around, but now I don't know, just a aspiring content creator. I don't know how long I can aspire to be one because it's been like 8 years. Although I was depressed for like 6 years, but still very long time. But yeah, I haven't worked a job for a while, like a job, so I'm anxious. Like, I just need something just easy and steady. So I applied pet stores around my area. Just give me something that I won't F up on. My line of work is not stable or certain. And being in Canada, it's a tad bit harder sometimes. I know a lot of it just deals with my mentality. There's a limit to myself that I put a cap on, and it's very hard to just remove it. Very, very hard. I feel like I came a long way, but just not long enough. And I noticed that when you do grow, you have growing pains. And there comes these times when you have to meet yourself at where you are and confront your deep-rooted traumas, deepest fears, and the most difficult, your past mistakes, accepting who you are fully to go to the next chapter. And I'm so not sure where I'm at. Again, like, my life has just been, the theme of my life is uncertainty. Like, I don't know whether those parts are winning or I am. And everyone just seems to be moving forward and I'm just stuck. Kind of growing, but I'm mostly stuck. But, you know, though I feel stuck, it's not all bad. Life just quietly moves on around me. I have friends, I have a loving family, including my little menace. I try to film snippets, and I really regret deleting my past in albums because memories are important no matter how painful. Except a man. I always delete a man. At this point, I'm wondering if this is all that I am, and if I should just accept this more quiet life. But there's like this aching thought of like, I should have been more. I'm hoping maybe this in between isn't failure, maybe it's just the space before clarity, even though it's been years. And that's pretty much it. The theme of my life right now is uncertainty. What have you been feeling? Have you been feeling the same thing? How do you cope with that kind of stuff and how do you regulate?